kumenya madhorofia. First things first, I need to explain why this show is called Kumenya Madhorofia. Well, we called it Kumenya Madhorofia because life in Zimbabwe has become a lot like Kumenya Madhorofia. And we all know what Kumenya Madhorofia is. For most people, they can't get beyond Vunye. So they give up. Then there are those of us, another person here and person here and person here and person here. We have a church, can promote our traffic department, can come targets. We have a lot of fear here. Actually, I'm lying. I just wanted to sound deep for no reason. This show is called Kumenya Madhorofia simply because for the most part, Tingachi Menya Madhorofia. So Ramuna Fuku Sana Nevunyo, whatever Mutao. But yeah. My sponsors didn't want supply on Madhorofia. Fresh from the market. Pam price. But now on to more serious issues. We all know what Mvuranga needs. Mvuranga is looking now. And the government got a pass in the phone. But the man hero, I don't know, Mvuranga is not willing me. Higher era. The only people that could benefit from Kusana Kurita Mvura are ladies of the night. Because I remember Matua Gashtaban, Washitama, Viju, my prayer, Mvuranga is jumping. It made me think that maybe, just maybe, Minamate ladies of the night. Yaga is stronger than Madveku. Josh no Yaza, say Nika, but you couldn't go Namata and Mammy. Vemna fourth. To find out what I say Nika so. Jules guide. Anyway, I don't want to so our prayers are with those that were inconvenienced. Be with us next week, particularly Shibata or Nika. Takasiana Panyad, we potentially discuss Pange, Togo, and it's my guest. Kanatisina, but Kanatisina take it to Menya Madhorofia. Saga, be with us, stay with us. Really, we do my right, we're going to get every week, take a trip and pursue Madhorofia holdings. Peace, love, Madhorofia. Chikata kashama ndawu ngirigina ushuru ngirana rawunana ramba kumenye kaka usaravunyele kusina basa